Hello friends, let's solve this sum. Mahesh travels 250 km to his home partly by train and partly by bus. So total distance to be traveled is 250 km. From that, he travels some distance by train and some by bus. We don't know kitna distance train se travel karta hai, kitna bus se, but some distance by train and some distance by bus. That's what we know. He takes 6 hours. If you travel 50 km by train and remaining distance by bus, यानी 50 km train से travel कर रहे हैं and total 250 है, so remaining 200 by bus, तो उसको 6 hours लगते हैं. Now if he travels 100 km by train, then remaining distance that's 150 by bus, then it takes 7 hours. Find the speed of a bus and speed of a find the speed of a bus and speed of a train. So train का spelling गलत है, it's TRN. So let's find the speed of a bus and speed of a train. So let's suppose speed of a train and speed of a bus. So total distance to be traveled is 250, right? Okay. From that, in first case में क्या है कि 50 किलोमीटर वो ट्रैवल कर रहा है बाय ट्रेन. सो बस से कितना ट्रैवल करेगा वो? सो बस से वो ट्रैवल करेगा 250 minus 50. 250 minus 50, that's 200 kilometer, right? Okay, now let's suppose the train speed is x and bus speed is y. Bus speed is y kilometer per hour, right? Now this time is equal to distance upon speed. This is the formula. I think I explained earlier that if I say Bombay is 500 km from my home, from my city Ahmedabad, and my speed of the train is 100 km per hour, तो कितना टाइम लगेगा पहुंचने के लिए? So that's 5 hours, right? Simply you divide. So that's 5 hours. So what you did, you divided distance by the speed. So now this is the formula, right? So now I will apply the formula. In first case, what happens? 50 kilometer कैसे travel कर रहा है? तो that is to be by train. See, in the first question, they have been told in the first condition 50 kilometer by train. Okay. Now train की speed क्या है? That's x, right? So this will give me time. ये x का value मिल जाएगा, फिर मुझे time पता चलेगा. Okay. Now plus why plus? Because दो टाइम का टोटल उसने दिया हुआ है. नाउ 200 किलोमीटर बाय बस एंड बस की स्पीड है y, और ये दोनों टाइम का टोटल है 6 hours. That's given question. That's 6 hours. So here I will write 6, right? Okay, now I will suppose 1 upon x is a and 1 upon y is b. So ये equation क्या हो जाएगा? 50a 200b is equal to 6. So that will be my equation number 1. Now what is the another condition? 100 kilometer he travels by train. So 100 kilometer by train. So 100 upon x and remaining 150 kilometer by bus. So 150 upon y is equal to 7 hours because it takes 7 hours. Now same thing. I will suppose 1 upon x is a, 1 upon y is b. So this will be 100a plus 150b is equal to 7. This is my equation number 2. Now अगर कोई method नहीं बोले equation में, so my favorite is elimination. So let's solve it by elimination method. So equation 1 को हम कितने से multiply करेंगे? This is my equation number 1. उसको हम करेंगे 100 से multiply और 2 को करेंगे 50 से. So equation would be like this. After multiplication, now I will change this sign. Sign change करने के बाद what will happen? This will be cancelled. 5000a. Now 20,000 में से 7,500 जाएगा तो that will be 12,500. So 12,500 भी 600 में से 350 जाएगा, so 250, right? So plus 250. Now 12,500 divide में जाएगा, so this 0 cancel, and now if I will divide, I will get 1 upon 50. So b की वैल्यू मुझे मिल गई 1 upon 50. Now what I need to do? I need to find the value of a as well. So कैसे find out करेंगे? तो मैं इक्वेशन 1 में b की वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करूंगा. 1 upon 50 b की जगह पे 50 4s are 200. So this will be 4. Now 4 equal to की वो साइड जाएगा तो minus. So this will be 6 minus 4, 2. This will be 2 upon 50 and 1 upon 25. Now, what I need to do ahead, I need to substitute the value for what I supposed, right? So, now what I will do, I will draw a line over here. I will draw a line, straight line over here. Oh, I'm not able to draw the straight line. Fine. Now, okay. Now, what I supposed, 1 upon x is equal to a. Now what is the value of a? That's 1 upon 25. So cross multiply, 25 is equal to x, as x is equal to 25. So train की speed जो है वो 25 किलोमीटर per hour. Now what about bus? So 1 upon y is equal to b. b की वैल्यू है 1 upon 50. 50 ये साइड चला जाएगा. 50 is equal to y. y is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer per hour. So speed of a bus is 50 kilometer per hour. So you need to write the statement at the end that average speed of a train is 25 kilometer per hour and average speed of a bus is 50 kilometer per hour. This is again a very simple sum. 1 upon x is equal to a suppose करना है and 1 upon y is equal to b. I think you can solve it by yourself. So first equation would be 4a, 5b is equal to 7 and second equation would be 5a plus 4b is equal to 13 upon 2. Now 1, 1, 2 इसका डिनोमिनेटर कुछ नहीं है तो 1, कुछ नहीं है तो 1. So 1, 1, 2 का एलसीएम होगा 2. So 1 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2 आएगा 2. 1 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2 आएगा 2. 2 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 आएगा 1. So this would be 10a. This would be 8b is equal to 13. So this is my equation number 2. Now we will solve it by elimination method. So equation 1 को हम 10 से multiply करेंगे, 2 को हम 4 से करेंगे, right? So after multiplication it would be like this. See 10 4 is 40, 10 5 is 550, 10 7 is 70. I think you know now this. I don't need to explain, right? So like this. Now what I will do, I will cancel 40a, 40a. Right, 50 में से 32 गया तो that would give us 18 plus 18b and here 70 में से 52 गया तो 18 plus 18. Now ये 18 ये साइड जाएगा तो डिवाइड में 18 upon 18 is 1. So b की वैल्यू मुझे मिल गई 1. उसको हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे इक्वेशन 1 में. इक्वेशन 1 में मैं b की जगह लिख दूंगा 1. So 4a plus 5 is equal to 7. 5 equal to की वो साइड जाएगा. So 7 minus 5. 4a is equal to 4a is equal to 2 and a is equal to 2 upon 4. Directly मैंने इधर ले लिया. So a is equal to 1 upon 2. So my solution is what? My solution is I have to put the value in what I supposed earlier. 1 upon x is a. 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 2. Cross multiply, so 2 is equal to x is equal to 2, right? So x की वैल्यू मुझे मिल गई 2. Here 1 upon y is equal to b. 1 upon y is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to y is equal to 1. So my solution is 2, 1. My solution is 2, 1. So I think you understood this sum as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.